Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Bloom's channel. This is Cursive Handwriting Classes, Day 4.
Hello everyone, today we will learn how to write Y and with some patterns. Before that we will revise what all learned earlier. We learned some patterns, alphabets and also how to join later. With a quick revisions, we learned pattern, then reverse of this. This is our next pattern we learned. Then reverse. Then next pattern. You should revise all these patterns at least for 5 lines. Then we learned alphabets E, I, L, T, U, N and M. Here just no need to go above or below the line, just you should touch the line. Just if you touch this line, that is enough. Your alphabets will look, your handwriting looks so beautiful. Then now we'll start learning.
Now we will learn how to write alphabet Y and one new pattern.
Now we will go for our next alphabet Y. Take little curve, go up in the form of U, then you should come straight and put a curve, loop. Come down, touch this yellow or red line, then put a loop. This is a way of writing Y. Then with this we'll learn new pattern, C pattern. Put a small curve and come back. You should practice this line at least for 5 to 10 lines. Don't do this mistake. Wait, I will show you which one I am going to tell you. When you put, you should come on the same line. Don't take another way. Don't make it loop here or something double like this. This won't look good. It should be like this only. You have to come back in the same way, in the same line. This is also wrong. Just put a little curve and come back. Let's practice with me this one.